Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
It's nice to see things cooler just a bit for today after we were sizzling in the low 90s yesterday. We'll keep that trend continuing over the next couple of days. And in addition, might even throw in a chance for some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm on Tuesday afternoon. World Championships get started for the juniors at Hayward on Tuesday. First events in the morning. Good for the runners. It's always nice to have the cooler weather, but still, if you're out there and maybe not under one of the canopies, it might be a little wet at times. We're talking about a widespread range of showers here, but still could see some scattered ones over the next first few days of the event, and then we'll be back up into sunny skies and certainly climbing in terms of the temperature by late week. Here's what we've got outside right now. Live look at our Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep. Couple of things happening. One, we've got a weak front heading southward. You can see it kind of the tail end of it there, basically crossing central Deschutes County and just kind of falling apart as it moves down in through Tocatee Falls and out through the Douglas County Cascades. In addition, look at all the lightning strikes to the south of us there, basically working their way up from Mount Shasta to a line over towards Boise, Idaho. That's where the real hot, unstable air has been. Highs there today, anywhere from Burns and down towards Ontario. Rome, for example, sitting in the mid to upper 90s. Out to Medford as well, hot one, 96 today. So you can see where the cooler air was moving in with the front and where it did not clear. Big contrast as we can pretty much just chop the state diagonally in half there. We were in the upper 70s to mid 70s today across the valley, mid to upper 60s at the coast. We'll slowly warm up just a bit, but you can see the influence of that cooler air that's already starting to move southward. Great for the fire crews across central and eastern sections of Washington fighting the Carlton complex, the largest of the Washington fires. Now, there is a chance that we could get some thunderstorms as we head early into next week, but there's also a chance, the good part of that, is that we could get some actual rain showers and certainly higher humidity levels, cooler temperatures, and settled winds as well. That's great for the fire crews. Overnight tonight, here's what we've got. Temperatures will be in the low 50s. A little warmer down in Roseburg, but still no 60s on the board. And here's what I was talking about last night when I said we've got a convergence of things all kind of moving together. So we've got a little dip in the jet stream, and there's a low that's approaching from the Gulf of Alaska. Meanwhile, we've got a boundary to the south in Northern California. Watch as we jump in a little closer. I've got it detailed, and you can see as that starts to head north and the low head south, both of those meet together, and we get a little bit of extra uplift with the jet stream coming in out of the southwest. This is a similar setup to last Sunday, and there's a chance we could get some thunderstorms to fire off. So for tomorrow, though, will be mostly sunny, and I think most of the activity will be well to the south and east of us. Then Tuesday, as the low approaches, you see things get a little closer across central Oregon, and then by Wednesday, we may also see some scattered showers, and I think the thunderstorm threat will be a little further north, moving up into Washington. So that said, we'll keep kind of a cooler forecast over the next couple of days. We'll get back to mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies, mid-60s at the coast. Certainly a little cooler down in the Umpqua in the low 80s for tomorrow. Cascades, I'm going to keep a mention of an isolated thunderstorm for the next couple of days with the temperatures there around 70 degrees. Smoky at times, mostly sunny skies, and hopefully get some much needed rain and not just lightning as the storms roll through across central Oregon, and mostly sunny for us here in the valley at temperatures around 80 degrees. So shower chances Tuesday into Wednesday. That's the highest for the coast, and then it's back to mostly sunny skies as high pressure takes control again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The Umpqua, low 80s to upper 70s, and then look at that, quickly jumping back into the mid 90s as we'll see that hot high pressure moving in from the Rockies, which is basically what's sitting right now. Cascades, isolated thunderstorm chances the next couple of days, and then back into the low 80s. And for us here in the Willamette Valley, 80 tomorrow, upper to mid 70s, and then quickly back into the low 90s as we get in towards next weekend. So kind of a roller coaster for the next 6 to 7 days there now.
I bet you like that, though. Marissa is always talking about how weather can be a little bit boring when it's just sunny all the time.
Gives us things to do.
Well, thank you so much, Justin.